Welcome back. Today we're diving into why you should skip those trendy cleansing melts, water-activated face wipes, and individually wrapped wipes when you travel. I'm going to show you a simple, time-saving, and wallet-friendly way to clean your face on the go. No mess, no fuss, and you'll save room in your toiletry bag. Now, when I'm at home, I have a full skincare routine, but when I'm traveling, I want the easiest options possible. That's why I usually reach for makeup remover wipes or cleansing wipes. They get the job done without much hassle. So let's break down what's out there for cleaning your face while traveling. First up, these new cleansing melts. These solid skincare products have taken over the market lately. When wet, they lather up and transform into a cleanser. Sounds amazing, right? And in theory, they're a great alternative to liquid cleansers or face wipes. I was all in until I saw the price. When compared to regular cleansers or face wipes, it's a hard pass for me. But here's the thing. Even though liquid cleansers and wipes are cheaper, when you're flying carry-on only, you're limited to how much liquid you can bring. And face wipes, while not considered part of your liquid allowance, often leak and create a mess in your bag. Plus, they add unnecessary weight to your luggage. Some people try individually wrapped face wipes to avoid seepage and weight issues. They pack just what they need. But let's be real, they're expensive for what you get and create extra waste. Then we have water-activated wipes. They're marketed as one of the ultimate travel hacks, but again, the price tag for what you're getting is still not worth it, in my opinion. I'm going to show you how to make the same thing for a whole lot less. You can get the same convenience without the high cost. Okay, here's the hack. Just grab your favorite makeup remover wipes, even the budget-friendly ones from Dollar Tree work. Take them out of the package and let them dry out on a baking rack or some parchment paper. Once they're completely dry, fold them back up and store them in any container you like, even a simple baggie. When you're ready to wash your face, just add a little warm water to them and use them just like you normally would. Want an even easier option? Leave a pack of wipes open on your counter until they dry out and you're all set. No extra steps required. Using these dry wipes means you're going to have no wipe seepage, you're going to have less liquids in your TSA 311 bag, and you're going to be able to wash your face quickly and efficiently. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so I can bring you more travel tips and packing hacks like this. Safe travels, and thanks for watching.